Hi everyone, I'm Marcos Luis D. Sandig from Grade 4 Love, and today I'm gonna show you how to make electromagnets with these materials: a battery, copper wire, nails, a nail, and finally clips for testing. Let's start! First, wrap the copper wire to the nail and make sure to leave the end of the copper wire sticking out so we can connect the battery. And this is the finished product of me wrapping the copper wire to the nail. And now, we're gonna connect the ends of the battery and to the end of the copper wire. And make sure the head of the nail matches the head of the battery, like this. And now, we're gonna test it. And look, I successfully made electromagnetic magnet with these materials. And my experiment succeeded. Thank you for watching.